Just got this amp in the mail. It's an old school ZAPCO 750.2 channel. Got a good deal, but I got a good deal because it's a fucking mess. Now here are some photos of the inside. Check this out. As you can see, that thing's all burnt inside. I'm hoping that there's nothing wrong with it. I just hooked it up to my testing area. It does work, so I do know that. So I'm hoping that there is no channel blown. So it does work, like I said. So I'm going to take this panel out now, and hopefully I can restore the damn thing. There we go. Now it's time to start cleaning this bad boy. So, problem is I should have never tested the damn thing. I just don't want to blow anything, that's for sure. Let me see. Look at that. What the hell is this shit? Like something got stuck inside here. Yeah, how's an amp gonna breathe like this? Man, people don't take care of this shit. Alright, this little area here, I'm gonna do this area, I'm gonna do that area after, but I might have to resolder shit. Like here. Right now I'm just getting this little area now. Alright. Get that. Actually, you're not even seeing. There we go. Into the trash can. Holy crap. That's looking bad. Let's see if I can do something. Just go like this. Bring this in the garage as well, blow it out. There we have it, this model here, AG750 Revision C. So I gotta go around all these terminals and clean all that out. So I got a lot of this tedious shit to do. So let me set this camera down and get going on this. Took one out. These clips aren't too bad. Just pull them out. Best way to do this that I've learned is needle nose. Grab at the top and just pull out. Grab that one, top one. Hope you guys were counting how many, because I wasn't. Alright, I got those clips filed off to the side. Now, here comes the fun part. Straight out to the Klein Tools pocket knife. And all I'm going to do is separate these FETs from the rear here, so I can slide the motherboard right out of here. Shout out to the long extension. You gotta keep everything longer to go along with the theme, right? Holy shit. Okay. fun part. Get that off to the side. Now she should just slide right out. She's going. There we go. So there we have it. There's the board. There's that thermal paste. You can see that it's had its days. It's time for new stuff underneath. Not too bad. There's a little bit of corrosion down there. See that? I couldn't get. Now, since it's out, I can clean this whole bottom section. Alright. I have those all nice and clean. Now, my next issue is all this debris and corrosion underneath this board. So I'm going to go through it. I'm going to clean it first with some alcohol and a toothbrush, and then I'm going to check every solder. See, like this solder right here, that's a no-no. That's where your remote is, your power supply, and your ground, of course. So I'm going to take care of that by resoldering certain points along this bottom edge. Okay? Alright, let's get this party going. First things first is this fuse area. Someone did some work here, and I want to take care of that damn problem. That's a no-no. That thing's loose as a goose, and it's only being held by like like nothing. Should get the thicker solder. This one's killing me. Make sure this is upwards. There we go. Now that's a solder bead. See that? That's looking more proper. That's how all of these should look. Sloppy job. The one next to the one on the left side, I think I'm going to do that one as well. I don't know what the hell happened here, man. Jesus Christ, these people. Let's see now. Yeah. So that other one is this one. Yeah. I might just do all of them. Just touch it up. There we go. We got it. Took a while. Thank God. That's looking nice, huh? Very nice. And we'll get these other two. Okay. Oh, a little bit of splatter there. There we have it. Those are all set. Oh man, did I even have that in frame? Oh, you can see. I did all these beads. So as I was doing this, I seen this freaking, I think it's a resistor, or it's gotta be a resistor, some kind of thing. I can see burn marks right over here. This blue thing here, look at it. It's fried. You can see black stuff coming out of it. The insides blew out and it melted. It got caught on fire. These 3 prongs, 3 legs. I'm gonna put some fresh solder on that. There we go. One more time. There we go. That's better. Now, before I go anywhere, right, I'm going to test that component as well. So I've got there and there, and should be reading. It's climbing 1.42. What's the inner leg go? I can actually measure it right there. And yep, it's good. Okay, what happened here? Make sure there's nothing cracked. Check these caps, they look good. And there's one. I'm gonna go right across the way. Get that one. I sucked my hands in the way. If I was left-handed, Would have been easier for you, huh? Okay. Holding it up. Let go. Oh yeah, those 2 points look beautiful. Now the 2 inners. You can see the difference already. There we go. Hold it up. Putting pressure on it. There we go. And the last one. Beautiful. That's looking really good. Yeah, I'm a lot happier with that. As you can see. Shout out to the soldering iron. And special shout out to the phone ringing all day. Jeez. Told you. Okay, I'm just going to pull on it. Wait a minute. Hold on. Yeah. There we go. It's 1 out. And 2. Bam. Ah, I broke the damn leg. Didn't want to do that because I wanted to read the damn value. So now I'm going to see if I can play doctor and put this leg inside here. Yeah, it might work. Well, let's see if we have anything going through that right now. See what I'm reading here, okay? Go here and here, and we're getting nothing. Let's see if there's a beep. Nothing. So it's broken. There's no. Yeah, it's probably just the damn leg is not all the way in. I just ripped the damn thing out of a socket. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I might get away with it. Okay, nothing that way. How about this? That. Now I can't even read the damn value. I'm going to have to look this up online. Oh, I just read something. Actually, yeah, it's working. Barely. It's all over the place. It just jumped to 17 ohms. This thing's fried. Look at this thing. Bubbling up right there. Other side too. Hook up the red. Okay. And we're going to get something here. Let's see. What is she going to say? You see it first than I do. What does that say? I can't read upside down. Damaged part. Yeah, you think? I think it is a damaged part. Holy shit. Alright, so unfortunately, I don't have a capacitor. Well, here's what I came up with. Where the hell is it? I don't even know where the paper is. This little blown capacitor. Here's the values for it. Now, unfortunately, I don't have anything new, and I really don't want to wait around. But I do have spare parts. But the thing is, I don't have this exact value. But I checked the chart, and I can add the 2 of these, and it will equal out to that 4700 PFs at 100 volts, and therefore can replace that one there. It should be ready to rock and roll. So let me get these 2 out of here from this donor board. I'm going to check the value on here, and if it's less than, say, 5%, I will be using this on this board. If that makes sense. Capacitors right there. I'm going to test them out. V-loss, only 1%. So that is awesome. 1% on the V-loss. That's amazing. Okay, that's good on that one. And then this one is going to be this one is 0% on that one. So that passes all day long. Alright, that's good. Facing down, blah blah blah. I'm going to take a quick reading on it just to see. Now it should, I believe it should beep. because of how the board is. There it is, yep. So that's good. So that's a confirmation, and all I have to do now, make it look pretty. Button it all up. Alright, I have this amp all nice and cleaned. All I gotta do is blow it out with an air compressor in the shop and start putting it back together into the heat sink. I'm going to apply new thermal paste all along these FETs, all along the heat sink, and get it all buttoned up. If I have to adjust the bias, I'll do that. If not, it is what it is. It'll play, blah blah blah. So here's my fix, is right about here. I double it, I read up, it should be fine, and if not, well, then I learn. I'll just take it all apart and get the right part in there. But I believe strongly it's gonna work. Like that. Let's put it down the line. Just a light coat, each one, and it doesn't have to be even. Don't worry about it. It will all be even at the end. Once you put the clips. Okay. If it's not easy, putting this one back in. I gotta do like 3 different things. I gotta tilt it that way and line it up and prevent it from touching. And also, so it won't bump into these damn things. There we go. Finally. Damn. Jeez. Put the cover back in, so I can know that it's going to sit where it's supposed to be sitting. Okay, just like that. I'm in the right spot. Now I can put my clamps in. It's a good idea to clean out your clips as well before doing this. I should have had them already cleaned for this video. Basically, common sense, just clean it. So, right on it. And down. And it's gonna look like that. All these little ones. Here's how I'm looking. Fingers start to hurt after a while. Got a long side here. Put that to the back first. Angle like that. If you have to assist, push this back like that. Get it going, and then push down, and then forward, and then press down on it. Long side. Tilt it. Come in. And push, see, and then forward, like that. A little tilt sometimes, and then push down. Alright, at this point I have all the clips all back in its place. She's all nice and clean. She's ready to rock and roll. Not yet, actually. I have to tighten down these nuts. Yeah. And put the cover back on. Put on the side custom brackets that I made, because Here's why. Here's the original. As you see, there's no feet for it. Well, there we go. I made feet. I used that as the cover, and that as the bracket. Same thing on the other side with the fan. Double layered. Looks good enough for me.
Civilizations, even any found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. In North America, Paleo-Indians hunted the mammoth.
She is all back together. Let's take a drone flight over her. And now it's time to test her out. Alright. Let's put some ground into her. And remote and power. Speaker terminals. And of course, RCAs. Set that off to the side. Actually, yeah, it's gonna have to be that way. Alright. This is my handmade power converter to power up this bad boy. It's set to 14.4 volts. Okay, I'm going to turn on the radio first. go. Let's start off fresh on that song. Now the thing is, with this converter here, I just gotta prime it. So how it works, see, the light's on, it's showing it's on, but there's nothing going through it. So it's basically, I gotta prime it, and then, there it is. So the ZAPCO's on. See the light?